All right, we are at Rocafort on the metro in Barcelona. Now we've got an elevator. It's got these.
Ascensor, destí, vestíbul. Ascensor, destí, vestíbul. Ascensor, destí, vestíbul.
I guess it talks to you. And here's a little neat surprise. There's the motor right there. It's got this sideways panel. Estoy haciendo un video para el proyecto.
Muy bien.
Tengas un buen día.
Igualmente, que vaya
Gracias.
bien.
Does it say the year? No. I couldn't tell if that lady was coming, and I was gonna like, should I hold it or no? But she went the other way. But people are very laid back about filming in Spain. Every time they're always just like, oh, okay, when I tell them I'm filming. No one is ever like, I don't want to be on your camera. I mean, if they were, I wouldn't put them on there, but still, it's nice that people are cool about things. Counterweight. We'll send it down. Get a picture of that quick. Alright, I'm gonna send it down. And this is actually where I'm gonna get on the train, but I still need to find something to eat first because I don't want to sit and be hungry for 20 minutes on the subway. Anyway. That is such a short travel distance for an MRL. I mean, still, it's not like a full-on traction, but back in the States, they usually have put a hydro. Anyway, that's it.